Alright, today on How To, I'm going to show you guys how to remove your SIM and SD card from the Samsung A20. First, you're going to need this tool right here, which some people call the SIM tool or the SIM popper. That's what we're going to use to get the tray out of the phone. So the tray is literally built into the phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to take that little tool, see that hole right there, to be able to take the tray inside where you're going to place the SIM card and the SD card. So you're going to take that tool and the sharp part of it, you're going to put inside of this hole here and push down. There's going to be a little button in there that actually pops out the tray. You pull out the tray and I'll show you guys. So with this tray here, this is where you place the SIM card and the SD card. So I'm going to flip it around so you can see where you cut. So you see the SIM cut and the shape of the SD cards there. They'll show you how to place both of them. And just like that, that's where the tray would go back inside. Now once the SIM card and the SD are placed in, all you're going to do is put it back into the phone, and the phone will begin to register the SIM card and the SD card after you power cycle it. So make sure you share this video and subscribe. Thank you.